In this video, I'm going to show you how we can capture packets with the TShark included in Wireshark. So first of all, we need to open the command prompt and run it as an administrator. After that, we need to go to the directory where Wireshark is installed. So the directory is program files. There is the directory. There is one program tshark.exe which we will be using to capture the packets. So first of all, we need to get the help file. So these are the help options or switches you can use while capturing the packets. So I am using some of the switches here. So first of all, we need to get the list of the interfaces which we can uh, do with minus D capital. So it will list all the interfaces. So we have a Wi-Fi interface that is number 4. So we need to pass this parameter TShark minus high. 4 is the number of my Wi-Fi adapter, and then we need to write this file to a PCAP file. PCAP is the extension of Wireshark file format. And next, we do not want promiscuous mode, and then we need to capture only the first 100 packets. So enter. So the capture is being packets are being captured, and it has successfully captured the 100 packets. So now if you want to see the captured packet, you can use this command tshark.exe space minus r, and then you need to specify the file name. So here you can see the packets that has been captured. Total is 100, and these are the numbers, unique number generated by the Wireshark, and these are the IP address, and these are the domain name, and this is the protocol. And you can see acknowledgement sequence number and window length, and all the things you can also see in the Wireshark GUI. So this is the advantage of TShark, that you can use it on the command line also. Thanks for watching.